Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing tool called Ventoy. First, go to your browser and type Ventoy, then hit enter. Click on the first link, and then click on the newest release. After that, click on Ventoy for Windows zip file and hit download in the external link. Wait till the download is finished. This tool is pretty useful to users who want to try a lot of different OSes without having to create a bootable USB every single time. You will be able to use a single USB drive for all the .iso files you want to install. Go to the downloaded file and extract it. After that, open Ventoy folder and click on Ventoy to disk.exe file. When the tool pops up, select your USB drive from the list. Then click on Install and click OK twice. Now wait for the process to be completed. It is done and ready for use. You can copy any .iso file and paste it to the USB drive we created before with Ventoy. As you can see, I have already created mine with a bunch of different .iso files in it. The amazing part is that you can still use this USB drive like a normal one and save any other file in it. Now let's restart our PC to test the USB drive. We go to the boot menu and select to boot from the USB drive. As you can see, we can boot into any .iso file and go through the installation process. And that's it guys. Leave a like and subscribe if this video was helpful.